2.1a, prime versus composite. A prime number is a whole number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. So for example, 2 is a prime number because 2 is only divisible by 2 and 1. In the same way, 3 is a prime number because 3 is only divisible by 3 and 1. And so it's 5 and 7 and 11 and so on. As you can probably already tell, 2 will be the only even prime number. A number is composite if it is not prime. So for example, 4 is a composite number because it's divisible by 2. So it's divisible by more than just 1 in itself. So in a way, these are opposites. Composite is the opposite of prime. Prime numbers are like the building blocks of all whole numbers. So we can always break down a number into its prime factors, which we'll bring up later. But prime numbers are the building blocks of numbers. So let's jump into some examples of prime versus composite. Is 42 a prime number? Well, 42 is even, right? Because the 2 at the end there. So we can tell 42 is divisible by 2. And in fact, if we carried out the operation, 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 2 1 time. So 2 times 21 is 42. So 42 is divisible by 2 and 21. So no, 42 is not prime. Let's jump into another example. Is 17 a prime number? Well, let's check out some numbers lower than 17 to see if they divide into 17. So obviously 2 can't divide into 17 because 17 is an odd number. So we can't do 2. Let's list all the ones that don't divide into it. 3 doesn't divide into 17. 4 doesn't divide into 17. 5, 6, 7, and so on. So if we looked at all of the numbers less than 17, we could see that none of them divide into it. Therefore, 17 has to be prime. So yes, 17 is prime.